gorgeous peeps. I just got something I need to share with you. Something, just a little diddly that I kind of put down. See if you can recognize it, okay?
Oh, Lord.
Wherever I go, I cook. Whatever I do, I cook. If I'm here or there, I'm gonna cook for you.
It's a hard knock life. I got it. Oh, I like that game. Can we play another one?
Okay, so hi everybody, how y'all doing? I'm Mama Cherry. Yes, I'm the shy one. Katrina's the outgoing one.
All right, Mum.
All right, whatever. Today, I'm going to cook something. I have been dreaming this up for months.
It has been a while.
It's been a long time. I've been trying to get this recipe out there to you guys. But you know what life's like. It keeps getting in the way. Now, my original idea with this, and I'm still going to do it, it was called biscuit roulette.
Roulette?
Roulette.
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 It's roulette.
Roulette. Where I'm going to make some deep dish biscuits.
Roulette.
It's a roulette.
Have you ever heard it called roulette? Yeah. Oh, let's play Russian roulette. Roulette.
No, but if you're posh, you say roulette.
Okay, Mum, whatever.
Okay? And what it is, it's going to be like a buttermilk biscuit. But I'm not going to cook them the way you normally would just roll them out and do this and do that. And I'm going to stuff them. And in order to do it, I'm going to do them in a cupcake thing so that they got some depth to them.
Okay.
Because I obviously have to then make it
like muffins.
Yeah, like a muffin, and then I'm gonna stuff it. But these ones are not going to be my roulette ones. They're going to be stuffed with some shredded ham hock,
ooh,
some smoked cheese, tomato, and my new dip. I've just made this. Y'all have got to go to this video up here. This is my leftover basil. It's delicious. A little bit spicy.
Did you just get a Scotch bonnet?
Yes.
Or as you say, a Scotch bonnet?
Yes, a bonnet. A little bit spicy. Actually, a little bit salty. You could use a little bit more lemon or lime in there. But it's going to be good. So, first thing I got to do is, because of buttermilk, I'm going to make you some buttermilk. So, I have some milk here. I'm not going to go out and spend nobody's money. Is that knife clean? No, give me a new one.
Okay.
I'm not going to spend nobody's money on no buttermilk when I can make my own. Same for you. Get yourself a lemon and squeeze a lemon into some milk. And try and get all of it in there, all your pulp and all. And I always like to add a touch of vinegar. And then watch it curdle.
And that's what buttermilk is?
And that's all your buttermilk is. Okay, you can see it starting to thicken. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So, that's our buttermilk. Ready to go. So, first thing first, we gotta make up the biscuits. So, I'm gonna get myself some flour. Put my flour in a bowl. To the flour, you're gonna add some shortening or lard and butter. Some people use just butter. Some people use just the fat, the lard. I use both. Okay? Some people use both, like me. So, what you want to do, for that amount, I'm only going to need a half a block. And what I do is you want to get it, cut it up into little chunks. Okay? Let's get it like this. Throw those in. Throw it in. Okay.
What's the difference between, I know lard is an animal fat.
It's an animal fat.
But what's the difference in terms of how it cooks? What is it? Why would you use lard as opposed to butter?
Because the recipe calls for it, the old-fashioned way.
Okay.
It's
Is it got something to do with consistency? Is it lighter?
It makes it lighter.
Okay.
It'll make it a lot lighter.
All right.
But a lot of people have moved away from it. You know, they're, oh, lard, can't use lard. But for flavor, you need your lard.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm also, the thing also is the colder your butter, you don't want your butter to be too soft. You really want to get it straight out of the fridge.
Okay.
Okay.
And you want it cold.
You want it cold. I'm going to add a touch of sugar. Not a lot. Just a bit. Give it a little bit of sweetness to it. And then I'm going to get myself a glove on, because the best way to do this is to get your fingers in. And where's my bag? And also you want to put, let me just wipe this down, because you want to flour. Move that to the front. You want to flour your table, because you are going to need this a bit. So what I want to do is get in and just squish it. Okay? See what I'm doing? Just squish it all in there together. So you're only, what you want to do is you turn your bowl so that you're working, trying to pull the dried flour from the sides. Okay? Now when I get to about there, at this point we're going to add a little bit of our buttermilk. Not too much at a time, just a little bit. There we go, nice.
Who taught you how to make biscuits, Mum?
I can't even remember. I can remember watching my grandmother make biscuits. Alright, now I'm turning it out. And you know what, people? I'm sorry. I like to feel my food. This blood is coming off, because I need to knead this bad boy. And I need to feel it. There we go. This needs a little bit more buttermilk. And this is where you do it, a little bit at a time. Pull that in and push it down.
I was just about to warn you about that.
What, that it was about to fall?
Yeah.
Because I didn't see, oh, it was a big bunch too. I didn't see that coming. Okay. So, how you guys been? Are you enjoying this beautiful month of May? I bet you in America the temperatures have already started to rise. We actually had a fabulous Easter.
Oh, it was gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Really warm, really hot.
Hotter than Greece.
Then the minute Easter finished, we plummeted it back in the winter over here.
Awful now.
It is cold.
It's really cold.
Okay, how we going here?
Isn't it Mother's Day on Sunday?
Oh yes, in America it is. So happy Mother's Day.
By the time this goes out, it will have passed.
It will have passed.
Retrospectively, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. Well, let's hope that you guys had a good one. Mother's Day always falls around my birthday. My birthday is the day after Mother's Day this year. Okay, let's see here. So this is it. Just give it a little bit of a knead. Okay. Great. Now, I ain't gonna be able to make that many, but we'll see how many we're gonna get out of this. Let's put a little bit more flour on. So, we're gonna do here is I am going to, at this stage, take a little bit of butter.
I'm gonna check the chicken, Mum.
Yeah, let me check it. Oh my God! They're all looking so good. 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Oh, it's looking so good.
For the recipe we're talking about, you can just click above.
Okay. So just throw these in. I'm hoping to get at least 9 out of this.
I'm not too sure.
I am. I think we will. So the first thing first, just get yourself, pinch yourself a little bit, roll it in a ball, flatten it in your hand. And then when you flatten it, just put it in there. Oh, we're going to get
Oh, no, we will, absolutely. No, I'm
will.
seeing how much you're using.
Yeah, and I'm going to top it.
Okay.
Let me put this like this. I don't want it to stick. And not only that, I want that butter to go through. I'm gonna get 12 out of this bad boy. You watch. I want that butter to go around.
Okay.
So let me do this, and then I'm gonna come back to you once I've filled them to show you the next step. All right. So you can see here, I've kind of got my rough biscuits in. So what I want to do here is, this is some smoked cheese I found. I thought this would be nice. So let me just cut a little bit of this. And we only need a quarter in each. Okay, so let's just get these cut up. And then I have here some ham hock, which is shredded. Now you could just get any kind of meat you like, or just get yourself some ham hock. Or ham, just chop it up. But I thought this would be really nice to it, okay? So first thing first, I'm going to put just a touch of my seasoning. I kind of like my homemade pesto that I've just made, my pesto jerk. I made this with some basil and coriander, spring onions, lime. So let's just put a little bit of that in.
I'll put the recipe up, the video up.
Then we're going to add our piece of cheese. Now, with most of my recipes, guys, y'all should know by now, I ain't never done this before.
Yeah, this is brand new.
I dream these things. I dream a dream of food to come. And then I bring it to my peeps. Which is what I'm doing. So then we're going to put some ham hock.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Mum. It's going to be epic.
And I think if these come out, no, not if, when these come out, these could be a really nice lunchbox treat. Okay? Now y'all see, exactly, y'all know I'll be slapping her fingers. I ain't even put the ham hock all in and she got her fingers all up in it.
I only took a little bit.
Yeah, and I need to fill these.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, but what?
You're right. I'm sorry.
Look. I barely got any left
Mum,
in
I
here.
took the tiniest piece.
There we go. Then, on top of that, I don't think it needs nothing else.
I don't think it needs anything else.
It just
Were you
needs-
thinking of a tomato?
I was, but it don't need it. So now, I'm just going to get a lid. And,
You're going to seal it?
yeah, I'm pinching it.
Okay. So they're quite full.
Yeah, well, I want them to be full.
Have you got enough?
Maybe, maybe not. We'll see.
So we'll cover some and maybe not all of them.
Yeah, maybe some of them will be open face.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll see how we roll.
Cool. I'll come back here.
Come back to me. Okay, as you can see, I've covered 8 of them. Some of them ain't covered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave these ones open face. But I'm going to add a little bit more cheese on top.
Maybe put a tomato on those ones, the open face ones.
Yeah, I guess we could do.
That'd be nice.
Okay, let's try it. But I want it to be the whole tomato in with the cheese.
Yeah.
2 tomatoes.
Cool.
And then the next thing to do is with this little bit of butter. Just put a touch of butter on the top.
Cool. Oh my goodness.
And that's the last thing is to put them in the oven, which I'm doing right now. Hey, peeps, let's see what my my new convection. Oh, they look good.
Oh, hello.
They look delicious.
That's good.
All right, so what I'm gonna
You're right.
I got a bit of a tickle.
Let me give you some water.
So what I'm gonna do is we gotta go with one of these ones. Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, and it comes straight.
Oh!
Look at that.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, that's cool.
That looks so good. Here, let's see here. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, I'm excited with this. Let's see.
Try it.
The biscuit's good.
Biscuit's really good.
Delicious.
Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a bit.
And the ham hock is just so good. And the smoked cheese.
How's it with the? Have you got any of the dressing?
Good. Yeah, I probably could have put a little bit less zest in, but it's still very good. Oh, good.
That ham hock is really good.
This is smoking. I'm telling you now.
Really good.
Phil's going to have one of those for his lunch tomorrow. Excellent. So, guys, try it. But, like I said, next time I make this, we're going to do a whole batch. Next time I have a party, because we're going to play biscuit roulette.
Roulette.
That's the one. And I'm going to fill them with all sorts of things. I'm going to fill it with some with peanut butter, one with strawberry, one with some Marmite, one with a hot chili pepper, so that we spin it and see what you bite into. And they're going to be different prizes attached to whichever you hit.
That is so good. That's delicious.
That's delicious.
Hands down. Delicious. Best recipe of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious.
Delicious. So, little bit of peace, whole lot of love, and sound from the mom. Let me enjoy my